Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Welcome to today math class. Last class we learned about different types of algebraic expressions. Like we learned about monomial, binomial, trinomial. So an algebraic expression which contains only one term, monomial. Two terms we used to call it as binomial. Three terms, trinomial I said. And more than three terms I said multinomial. And last class we also learned how to multiply monomial with binomial and monomial with trinomial. And today class we are going to learn how to multiply binomial with binomial. How we can find the product of two binomials? Let's see today class. And here we have some conditions. While multiplying every term in one binomial, multiply with every term other binomial. So every term of first binomial multiply with every term of second binomial, and in that multiplication, in that product, if you find any like terms, we have to combine those like terms. You know how we can multiply the like terms. When I multiply the like terms, what changes we can see? Let's see with the help of one example. I am taking one example about multiplication of binomial by binomial. So let me take here pq square minus 2pq. This is the binomial which contains only two terms, and this I want to multiply with 3q minus 7p square q. Algebraic expression with two terms, binomial. Algebraic expression with two terms, binomial. So we have to find the product of two binomials. Now let's see how to multiply this both. Solution better. So take the first term of first binomial. Take the first term of first binomial and write the complete second binomial. 3q square minus 3q minus 7p square q. Next, write the second term of first binomial along with its before symbol. Write the second term of first binomial minus 2pq along with before symbol. Minus symbol is there, I wrote minus symbol better. If it has plus symbol, you write plus symbol. Take the second term of first binomial and multiply it with whole complete second binomial, which is 3q minus 7p square q. Hope it is clear. I took the first term of first binomial and I am taking complete second binomial. Second term of first binomial multiply with complete second binomial, and when they take the second binomial, you take along with symbol better. Now multiply, now we can see better bracket means multiplication. Now it is like monomial into binomial. Already we learned previous class. Only this one step extra here, that's all. Now see, how can I multiply monomial with binomials? First multiply monomial with first term of binomial. First multiply symbols here, no symbol plus, no symbol plus, plus into plus, plus. Now multiply constants. Here no constants, only one constant 3. Now multiply like terms. Here p only one term, no like term. Q, same variables are there. Yes, same variables are there. Write only one variable and whose product is obtained. Sum of the powers 2 plus 1. There is no power 1 2 plus 1 3. While multiplying these two monomials, if you find any same variables, write only one variable and whose power is sum of the powers. The power is obtained from sum of these two. Now let's multiply monomial with second term of binomial. First multiply symbols, plus into minus, minus. Constants multiply, only one constant 7. Then multiply same variables, p, same variable is there, write only one variable and whose power is obtained, sum of the powers. Sir, p no power means 1. 1 plus 2, 3. More in like terms. Q also like terms are there, write only one variable and the resulting power is sum of the powers. 2, no power means 1. 2 plus 1, 3. That is the way you can multiply better. Now multiply this monomial with first term. First multiply symbols. Bracket means into minus into plus, here no symbol plus, minus into plus minus. 2 3s are 6. Now multiply same variables. P, only one variable p. Q, same variables are there. Write only one variable and whose power is sum of the powers. 1 plus 1 which gives 2. Now multiply monomial with second term of binomial. First multiply symbols. Minus into minus product plus Now multiply constants. 2 sevens are 14. Now same variables p same variable. Write only one variable and the power is obtained from sum of the powers. No power 1. 1 plus 2 3. Q same variable is there and whose power is obtained is adding the powers. 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 2. That is the way we can multiply. So after multiplication, if any like terms are there, we can simplify those like terms. P Q Q, no like terms. P Q Q Q, P Q square, P Q Q square. All the terms are different. There is no terms which have same variables and same powers. I mean, there is no like terms. Then it is the result. Hope it is clear. That is the way you can find the product of two binomials. Let's see one more example. Let me take here 2x squared minus 3xy. Here I write 1 by 2x minus 3xy squared. Two terms binomial. We have to find the product of these two binomials. Same process, only numbering and alphabets are changed. How can I multiply these two binomials? So take the first term of first binomial, which is 2x squared, and multiply it with complete second binomial, 1 by 2x minus 3xy squared. What next? Take the second term of first binomial, along with symbol we can take minus 3xy and multiply it with complete second binomial, which is 1 by 2x minus 3xy squared. Now multiply monomial into binomial. First multiply this method. How can I multiply this both? First multiply symbols, no symbol plus, plus into plus. Now multiply constants, 2 into 1 by 2. I write here 2 into 1 by 2 if you want. Now multiply same variables, x, same variable, and whose power is obtained? Sum of the powers. No power means 1 by 2 plus 1, 3. Now multiply again monomial with second term of binomial. First multiply symbols, plus into minus. Now multiply constants, 2 into 3. Where is into, sir? Bracket means into 1 2 into 3, which gives 6. Now multiply same variables, x, same variable, write only one variable, and whose power is sum of the powers. No power 1, 2 plus 1, 3. More same variables are not there, but different variables are there. Y square, write it as it is. Do the same thing, you are achieving. Multiply monomial with first term of binomial, minus into no symbol plus, bracket into minus into plus minus. Now multiply constants. See, while multiplication, first multiply symbols, then multiply constants, then multiply same variables, then different variables, write as it is with product. First I multiplied symbols, then constants, 3 into 1 by 2, calculate 3 into 1 by 2. Now same variables, x, only one variable, and the power is sum of the powers, 1 plus 1, 2. Now different variables, only one, y. Now multiply this both, I mean monomial with second term of binomial. Symbols would have minus into plus, minus we can say. Now constants, 3 into 3 3 are 9. X, same variable is there, and power is sum of the powers, 1 plus 1, 2. Y, same variable is there, power is sum of the powers, 1 plus 2, 3. Now still if any like terms, you can simplify them. Here x cube term not there, x cube y square, x square y cube, no. Sir, there is no like terms. All the variables, I mean all the terms which have same variables but powers are different. So we can't simplify them. This we can cancel, 2 ones we can cancel. What left? X cube minus 6x cube y square minus, here not possible to cancel, 3 ones are 3 by 2 x square y minus 9 x cube y cube. So here x square. That's all. So there is the process we can multiply. Hope it is clear. While multiplying two binomials, take the first term, multiply it with complete second binomial. Then say take the second term of first binomial along with symbol, multiply it with complete second binomial. Then after that it is easy, like we can multiply monomial into binomial. And after multiplication, if any like terms, you can simplify. If not, that will only become the final answer. Okay, children, let's see one more example based on multiplication of binomial by trinomial. How can I multiply an algebraic expression with two terms and three terms? Here we have some condition. Multiply each of the three terms in the trinomial. Actually, trinomial means only contains three terms. Multiply those three terms by each of the two terms of binomial. In binomial, we have two terms. Those two terms multiply with each term of trinomial. That is the condition it says. Let's see one example how to multiply an algebraic expression two terms by three terms. I mean binomial by trinomial. Let's see the help of example here. Binomial is and it is trinomial. So while multiplying binomial with trinomial, each term of binomial, take the first term of binomial. What is the first term of binomial? Take the first term of binomial, multiply it with complete trinomial, which is like a square plus 3a plus 5. Multiply first term of binomial with complete trinomial. And next, take the second term of binomial along with its symbol plus 7. Multiply it with trinomial, which is a square plus 3a plus 5. Now it is like monomial into trinomial. Already completed. So multiply this monomial with each and every term of trinomial. Multiply monomial with first term, monomial with second term, monomial with third term. That is the way we can multiply. First, let multiply these two. How can I multiply a into a square, a into a square, same variables. So when we have same variables in multiplication, write only one variable and the resulting power is obtained sum of the powers 1 plus 2, 3. Again multiply monomial with second term. First symbols, here no symbol plus, plus into plus. Now multiply same variables, I mean constants. Only one constant 3. Now multiply same variables, a into a, write only one variable and the power is obtained sum of the powers 1 plus 1, 2. Then multiply monomial with last term. Symbols first, plus into plus. Now constants, only one constant 5. Same variables, only one variable a. Do the same thing here also. Here no symbol plus but multiply monomial with first term plus into plus. 7 into a square, both are different variables. Write as this. One is variable, one is constant. One is variable, one is constant. So no same variables. Write them as the product. Now monomial with second term. Symbols first, plus into plus. Now constant, 7 3s are 21. Now same variables, only one variable, write it as this. Now monomial with last term, 7 into 5. First symbol, plus into plus. 7 5s are 35. That is the multiplication. If any like terms are there, you can simplify. Yes, I can see here both these terms are not like terms. Both of the terms are containing same variables a and same power 2. 2 or more than 2 terms are said to be like terms if they have same variable and same power. Same variable a and same power 2. So they are called like terms. When they are like terms, we can simplify them. Even this also, plus 5a plus 21a. Both the terms having same variable a and same power 1. So we can simplify them. A power 3, there is no power 3 term, so write as it is. How can I simplify this both better? Both are same variables, I mean like terms. We can simplify their only coefficients. Plus 3 plus 7 plus 10 plus 10 is 3. Now simplify this both also. Simplify this both here. A, this one is a power 1 better. Both are same variables here, same power 1. Both are like terms. Simplify the coefficients. 5 plus 21 plus 26 a. Now there is no like terms. Plus 35 as it is. Power 3 not there. Power 2, power 1 constant. Yes. All the different terms, no like terms. That is the final answer. Hope it is clear. Binomial with trinomial. That is the first term of binomial with complete trinomial. Second term of binomial with complete trinomial. Then I multiplied monomial with trinomial. Monomial with trinomial. After multiplication, if any like terms, I mean if any two terms or more than two terms having same variables, same powers, then we simplify the coefficients like plus 3 plus 7 plus 10 plus 5 plus 21 plus 26. Like that we can simplify the coefficients. Now let's see one more example based on multiplication of algebraic expressions. Here you can see like binomial into trinomial. 2 terms, 3 terms. Here I can see binomial with monomial, only one term. Let's simplify this. First we simplify this both. Take the monomial. Sorry, take the first term of first binomial, which is a, multiply it with complete trinomial. 2a minus 3b plus c. Then take the second term of binomial along with symbol plus b. Multiply it with complete second trinomial. 2a minus 3b, plus c. See, this minus symbol is there for complete this part. For complete part, we have minus symbol. Minus. Let me start the bracket. Sir, what next? Multiplication of binomial with monomial. Monomial with binomial. So monomial is multiplied with first term. We can write c into 2a. Now monomial is multiplied with second term. How? A row symbol plus beta. Plus into minus, minus c into 3b. C into 3b. Just multiplying monomial into binomial. Monomial with first term c into 2a plus into minus c into 3b. Monomial with second term c into 3b. Now simplify this. Monomial into trinomial. First multiply monomial with first term. No symbol plus into plus. No constants, only one constant. Now multiply same variables. A is the same variable and whose power is obtained. Sum of the powers 1 plus 1 2. Now multiply monomial with second term. Plus into minus. Only one constant. A into b. No same variables, different variables. Write them as this. Now plus into plus. A into c. Different variables. AC. Now multiply this both. Here row symbol plus beta. Plus into plus. B into 2. No constants, only 2. Now multiply same variables. No same variables. Multiply different variables. B into A. We can write BA or AB also we can write. B into A, BA or AB also we can write. Just I am writing like alphabet order. Now monomial is multiplied with second term. First symbols plus into minus. Now constants, no constant, only one constant 3. Now same variables B, same variable, only one variable, and the resulting power is sum of the powers 1 plus 1 2. Now monomial with last term plus into plus. B into C, no same variables, different variables, BC only. Minus C into 2A, no same variables, we can write 2AC. Generally we use write constant first, then alphabets I wrote like in order. Now minus C into 3B, 3BC, different variables only. This minus symbol is for whole bit. I am not multiplying minus inside, just this only I wrote some simplest form. Next, this minus get multiply inside, like minus into first term or minus into second term. Like that we need to multiply. This will write as this 2a square minus 3ab plus ac plus 2ab minus 3b square plus bc. Now multiply this both minus into plus minus 2ac. Then multiply minus in second term minus into minus plus 3bc. Yes, that is the way we can simplify. And after simplification, you find out the like terms. If any like terms are there, we need to simplify the like terms. See, but here I can see these both are like terms. AB, same variables, powers are 1, 1, 1, 1. More like terms. Here I can see AC term, here I can see AC term. AC, whose powers are 1, 1, 1, 1. Both are like terms. More I can see here BC term. Here also I can see BC term. BC same variables. Powers are 1, 1, 1, 1. Yes, we have like terms. Let us simplify the like terms. 2a square, only one term. I said these both are like terms. Let us simplify their coefficients. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 1 AB. Minus 1 AB. Now here AC minus 2AC. No coefficient will take generally 1. 1AC minus 2AC. AC both are same variables with same powers 1, 1, 1, 1. Simplify the coefficients. Plus 1 minus 2 is minus 1 AC. Now next, we can see the like terms like BC, 3BC. No coefficient, 1 better. Plus 1BC plus 3BC plus 4BC we can write. Plus 4BC. The remaining terms minus 3BC will left. Only minus 3b square. Yes, that is the way we can find the product of algebraic expressions. What I did better in multiplication, when I have same variables, I am writing only one variable and just power I am writing from sum of the terms, sum of the powers. Sorry. Next, if any like terms are nothing but same variables with same powers. When they are like terms, we can simplify the coefficients, like minus 3 plus 2, we can write minus 1 AB, minus 1 AB we can write. Okay children, let's see more about multiplication of binomials. Here I am going with exercise 9.4 first bit better. They are asking multiply the binomials. Just now I done the example, same process, how to multiply the binomials. Let's see with some different examples like decimals, fractions, coefficients and alphabets will change and the process will be same. Let's see these two examples based on the multiplication of binomials. In that, let me go with first third one better. What they say third one, 2.5L minus 0.5M. You have to multiply product of these two binomials. They said multiply first binomial into second binomial. So we have to multiply these two binomials 0.5M. So how can we multiply the two binomials? To multiply these two binomials, take the first term of first binomial. Solution beta. Take the first term of first binomial and which is multiplied with complete second binomial 2.5L plus 0.5M. After that, take the second term of first binomial along with its before symbol, which is minus 0.5, and multiply with 2.5L. Second term of first binomial along with symbol, which is multiplied with second algebraic expression 2.5L plus 0.5M. Now we need to multiply like monomial to binomial, monomial to binomial. Multiply this monomial with first term of binomial 2.5 into 2.5, you get 6.25. 6.25. Just take a multiply in decimals. L into L, both are same variables, right? Only one variable and whose power is obtained, sum of the powers 1 plus 1, which gives 2. The monomial is multiplied with second term. Bracket means into beta. Here no symbol, plus symbol is there. Plus into plus 2.5 into 0.5. Multiply and see here. 2.5 multiplied with 0.5. 5 5 is 25. 2 carry here. 5 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 12. Yes. Now 0 is also multiplied. What next? Total 5 2 1. How much? 1 digit before, 1 digit before. Total 2 digit before point. I got 1.25. Yes, we can write 1.25. Any same variables L, M, both are different variables. We write the max is L. Now multiply monomial with first term of binomial. Here no symbol plus but minus into plus minus. Now multiply the constants 0.5 into 2.5. How much? 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10, 12. 12.5 same. You can see here same 2.5 into 0.5, 1.25. Any same variables? No same variables. M, L, both are different variables. We can write as this M into L or L into M. Let me write L into M. Alphabet order writing. Now multiply monomial with second term. Minus into plus minus 0.5 into 0.5. 0.25. 0.25 we can write. Same variables are there. M into M. Same variables. Write only one variable and the power is obtained from sum of the powers. Any like terms are there? Yes sir, I can see both are like terms. Simplify those two like terms. 6.25 L square CF plus 1.25 LM both are same variables whose powers are 1 1. Same variables with same powers are called like terms. How can I simplify these like terms? Only their coefficients we can simplify. Plus 1.25 minus 1.25, both will be cancelled. Different symbols. Minus 0.25 M square. That is the way you can multiply. Same like previous, only decimals they gave, that's all. Let's see one more example based on the multiplication of binomials, which is sixth problem. They said 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square. First binomial is multiplied with second binomial 4a square minus 2 by 3 b square. But this is not simplest form. This 4 is the monomial, it is binomial. Monomial we can multiply binomial, we get the result. That result we need to multiply with first binomial. Yes. Let's see here. 3 by 4 a square, 3 by 4 a square plus b square it is, plus b square. Sorry, 3b square, 3b square into, first let me multiply this 4 inside, 4 into a square which gives 4a square, 4a square. Just multiply like this, monomial first term, monomial second term. 4 into a square, 4a square, no symbol plus, plus into minus, minus. 4 into 2 by 3, 4 2 is 8, 8 by 3 b square. We can write minus 8 by 3 b square. Hope it is clear. I multiplied symbols better, plus into minus, I got minus there. 4 2 is 8, 8 by 3 b square, 8 by 3 b square. Yes. Now we can see binomial into binomial. How can we find the product of binomial into binomial? Same like previous. Take the first term of first binomial, which is 3 by 4 a square. Multiply with complete second binomial, 4a square minus 8 by 3 b square. Now take the second term of first binomial, which is plus 3b square. Multiply with complete second binomial, 4a square minus 8 by 3 b square. Yes. Still it is the product of monomial with binomial. Monomial with binomial. So multiply each and every term of binomial with monomial. First monomial is multiplied with first term. First multiply symbols, plus into plus, plus. Now constants, 3 by 4 into 4. 3 by 4 into 4. Now multiply same variables. A, same variable. So write only one variable and whose power is obtained, sum of the powers, 2 plus 2, 4. Then multiply monomial with second term. Symbols first, no symbol plus, plus into minus, minus. Now constant 3 by 4 into 8 by 3. Let me write here 3 by 4 into 8 by 3. First I said multiply symbols, then constants, then same variables, then different variables. A square, b square, no same variables, different variables. Write them as it is product. Only same variables are there. We'll write only one variable and power we can write sum of the powers. When we have different variables, write those different variables as it is with product. Now multiply monomial with first term. Symbols first, plus into plus, plus. 3 4s are 12. Any like terms? No same variables, different variables are there. Write them as it is. But when writing, possible writing order, like alphabet order. B square, A square. We can write B square, A square directly, but we write order like A square into B square. There is no change. Like if you write B square, A square or A square, B square, both are same. Now monomial is multiplied with what? Second term. Multiply with second term. See, plus into minus, minus. First symbols finished. Then constants 3 into 8 by 3. Let me write here 3 into 8 by 3. What next? Then same variables. B, same variables. Write only one variable and power is sum of the powers 2 plus 2, 4. Now simplify this better. Here I can see 4 ones are cancelled. What left more? 3a power 4 left. Minus, here I can see 3 ones are, 4 ones are, 4 twos are, I can see. Yes. What left more? 2 a square b square plus 12 a square b square minus, here I can see 3 ones are cancelled. 8 b power 4. Now see better, any like terms? So here I can see like terms. Both the terms are like terms. Same variables AB and same powers 2, 2, 2, 2. Same variables with same powers are called like terms. When they are like terms, we can simplify their coefficients and we can write 3a power 4 minus 2 plus 12 plus 10. Write the term which is a square b square minus 8b power 4. That is the way you find the product of binomials. Yes, today's session we learned how to multiply binomial with binomial. multiply each term of first binomial with each term of second binomial. And also we learn how to multiply binomial with trinomial. Multiply each term of trinomial by each term of binomial. In that multiplication, if any like terms are there, you can simplify. Hope it is clear for everyone. Based on this knowledge, from exercise 8.4, first bit and second bit complete homework. And first bit, third and sixth, just to explain. So except these two, remaining all you can complete homework. Thank you. We'll meet next class.